Hey beautiful people, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, this particular series has come to a very crucial part where we are gonna learn what is WordPress dashboard, and we will check the entire overview of this so that we get to know that what is there in this WordPress dashboard and how we can actually use these options. So right now I am on my WordPress dashboard. I have already discussed in my previous videos that how you can actually log into your WordPress dashboard and what is the process. If you haven't watched that video, go and check it out. Now, this is our WordPress dashboard, and on the left hand side you can see there are plenty of options. There is a top bar right on your screen, and there are some options as well. Now let's understand the options one by one. So we'll start from top. So as you can see, there is a top bar, right? This you can call this a top bar or maybe nav bar or notification bar, whatever you call it. I like to call it as a top bar, right? So in this top bar on the left hand side, there is a WordPress logo. There is a WordPress logo, or you can say icon. And if you want to learn more about WordPress.org, that is the technology which we are using, then you can click on this and go to WordPress.org to learn, support, feedback, documentation. So these are the some official documentation and the website which you can visit using this logo. This is the first option. The second option is the home icon and your website name. So this particular option enables you to visit the website from dashboard to your website. So right now I am on my dashboard. If I want to visit my website, then I just need to click here like this and I'll be redirected to the website. Similar way, if I'm on my website and I want to visit the dashboard, I just click on this and go to dashboard. So that this is the option which is used to switch between dashboard and your website. Now the third option is about the comments. Right now there are no comments because we just created the website. No user is there, nobody commented on that. But if you have some comments on your website post or maybe some section, it will be visible here. Right now the count is 0, right? Then here the plus and the new option is there. So there are couple of things which you can create inside your WordPress dashboard, that is new post, new media, new page and new user. I'll tell you in the later videos what is the meaning of all these options, but as of now please understand this is a shortcut, you can say, because the same thing can be done using these options on the left hand side as well, but this is a kind of a shortcut to the same thing. Here the plugin called Yoast is there. Maybe by default it may or may not be there, but if it is there, the icon is something like that. So it is a plugin, and I'll tell you what it is, and what is the use of this, how can you actually control all other things. Then we have caching. Cache is a very important part in the WordPress website. I'll cover this entire concept of cache in a separate video, but as of now I just tell you that cache is something which enables your website to load faster in front of users. So whenever user is trying to access your website files, because of the cache, gets loaded fast in order to reduce the loading time, and it is visible to the user in a very short span of time. And for WordPress, the cache is very important. I'll tell you in a separate video the whole concept of this, but cache right now, here we have two options, purge all and cache settings, that we will understand later on in detail. Now the last option is need help. If you want any kind of help, you can create, you can click on this. Now your question may be, sir, what kind of help? Help is nothing but the Bluehost kind of help. So since you have purchased from Bluehost, so Bluehost gives you this option called need help. It will redirect you, to the chat support of Bluehost. As of now, you don't require because you are watching my video. So as of now, you are not required for that. On the right hand side, you can see site status is live. It means there is no coming soon page. And right hand side, you can see the user that is currently logged in. It is you. You can see the username, edit profile and logout option. From here, you can log out once your website, tasks are done, your changes are done, or whatever your activity. Once you are done with that, you can simply log out from here so that nobody else can get an unauthorized access of your website using the same browser, right? So this was about the top bar. Now the same option is available on the website as well, but there are a couple of more options. The same top bar is also there, but some more options are there. So the WordPress logo is same. This thing is used to switch between dashboard and the website. edit site. So this is called edit site. If you want to edit your site, let's say theme editor, or maybe you want to make some kind of a modification, so you can click on this. But as of now will not be required, because we'll use some more plugins and options, advanced option, in order to edit the site. Then we have customize. If you want to customize the existing options in your WordPress website, you can do that. And this is very, I would say, one of the very important features in overall website development using WordPress. So I'll use this option more often, and will tell you that how it works. Then we have this same comment option, plus new option, your setting, cache. Then we have some views over 48 hours. It means that how many visitors have come to your website, how many number of views your website has received till now. That is something it will tell you, but as of now there is no user on our website apart from us, of course, so it is showing as 0. Need help, site status, and then again the profile icon, and the search bar is there. If you want to search something, you can search here and it will pull the details for you. So this is about the top bar, and this is it for this video. I'll catch you in the next video and will tell you more about these options which are on the left hand side, and I'll tell you the concepts and the basic things to get started in order to create your website, because right now the website is in very bad condition. It is not looking a good professional website. There are some random text and nobody likes a website like this. So I'll get you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.